Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm going to show you a slow motion on OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So basically, if you want to film videos in slow motion, I'll show you how. So first up, open up your camera and scroll all the way to the right here, and as you can see here, slow-mo. Click on it and basically you can just film in slow-mo now. And something like this you'll have. So basically from a 10-second video to a 40-second video. So yeah, basically that's it, the slow motion on OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.